Hey, yo, my pants! What's goody, what's goody, what's goody? Hey, yo, we wet place, bro. I froze. I went in reverse. Hey, yo, my pants. White place. Guess what? This means
my grandmother said to me, it's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. My grandmother said to me, it's gonna be alright.
plain and simple.
It's not
Over
the same
respect is what
without
we
you.
got. Put my phone in. Lawyer! Get the lawsuit ready. We won the case.
Are you looking after me?
I'm sorry?
What are you recording for?
What am I recording for?
Yes.
I'm doing a video.
Okay.
Who are you?
I work here. This is a
You work
federal
here?
building, so you can't record inside
This is a
of it.
federal what?
Building.
Okay.
You can't record inside of it. Yes, we have a customer recording people without their permission. Hi, we have a customer inside of the post office that is recording employees. Long fishing, like things here. We're taking video footage of employees and customers.
Who's coming?
White Plains Police?
The police?
Yeah.
Hi, how's it going? Can I get a stamp, ma'am? Excuse me?
Not with that camera method.
You're not making a picture inside.
I'm not doing picture.
He's videotaping.
Oh, you had to go inside and ask for the postmaster.
I'm sorry?
You can't film in here.
I can't film in here.
Yeah, the post office.
Can I speak? Are you the postmaster?
No, I'm
Who are
not.
you?
Who are you?
I'm recording. That's what I'm doing.
But you can't record in here.
Why not?
It's not prohibited in the postal service.
It's prohibited?
Yes. You're going to do what? Because you don't want
Provide them with the correct information.
to do what? What is it that you're trying to do?
To
Is it-
record my interactions in a public lobby.
Okay. So you need the police to come here to come execute.
I didn't call the police. I didn't call nobody.
They did. They didn't feel safe. Just
They
like you
didn't feel safe.
That's why
That
you
sounds
recorded.
like their problem. Tell them to be safe.
Well, you come from behind the window. Move from the window. From the window. Step away from the window.
Well, now she's denying service for everybody. You heard now. She shut down the business. Look who's here.
Police issued a statement saying the officer perceived a threat, drew his weapon, and fired one shot, striking 28-year-old Tatiana Jefferson. Said he called a non-emergency number out of concern for his neighbor. Man down. Smith believes she might still be alive if he never dialed for help.